What's up guys, today I played full tank Volibear in jungle and let me tell you, enemies had no chance against this big white bear. This champion is really easy to play and super strong, so be sure to try him out and let me know in the comments how it went. Leave a like and enjoy the video. Okay, I can visit bot lane.
My God! Okay, it's happening.
Hello boys. Free kill. There we go. Nice. Easy. Let's help them push. Alright, nice. Very good, very good. Listen was top side. We got 2 kills already. This is going very good. Okay, listen flash and he's dead. No, he's not.
Helicopter, helicopter.
But she is dead. Good stuff, bro. Nice! Oh my. Well played, buddy. Listen is getting better. Careful, buddy. He will kill them all. He will kill them both. I'm gonna go top. This guy is screwed. Let's go.
Help! Police!
Hello, buddy.
Say goodnight.
See ya. Okay, very good. Easy as that. Now we will get this scuttle crab. Very nice. And his red buff just spawned, which means I can go grab it. I'm very strong right now. Akala is level 6 though, so I need to be very careful. But this boy should be here. I could take his rates as well, but I'm gonna go for gank bot lane. Go in boys, go in.
I confess, I'm not very good at video games.
Oh my god, okay. Should be a kill, right? Oh my god, he missed. Thank god this guy doesn't miss. Nice. Let's push it and go for him. He's staying. You go. Oh yes, he's stupid. Okay, well. There we go. Nice. We need 100, so let's just go for the Drake. There we go. He is on his rates right now. Just saw him jump. So I'm gonna try to do this. Yes. Easy, easy. Lemon squeezing. Please go in. I beg you. Okay, he doesn't want to. Cool. Okay, I'm gonna clear my top side, recall, and focus the Herald, because that's the winning condition of this. Okay, is this here now? It is not. But we are going for the dive. Let's go. What up, buddy? Nice. Free kill. Just like that. Thank you very much, sir. I don't really think you want to go in. Yeah. Okay, that's one. Can't really chase the other one. I'm gonna go get the Herald now. Listen flashed again. Pretty good. The tower is very low on top lane. Might actually go and just place it right away, so she has nowhere to go. Just go destroy this. She needs to run. Here we go. Nice. First break. Oh, what is happening? Okay, I can just simply 1v9 this game with this lead I have. This is insane. Okay, let's go mid. Have a little fun. What up?
Give me a break, give me a break.
You don't think you can kill me, right? Please. Boom. Nice. I dodged her ultimate stun with my ultimate. It's pretty good, pretty decent. Okay. Nice. Let's go invade again. Okay, this is not here. Very well. This is not here either. Wow. Okay, let's just go, I guess. Okay, listen is top side, so we get this and go bot. Okay, let's go. Oh, nice hook, buddy. Oh, this is not gonna help you though. I'm faster. It's one. What the one is here, buddy? Can you catch that? Pretty sure you can with a hook. Okay, buddy. Nice. Another kill for me. Pretty huge. I got 4,000 again. Like, this is just stomp. Oh my. What is happening mid? Do I have to go there? Listen is crazy, that's for sure. Yeah, let's go for her then. Ow. See ya. Where are you? Come here, buddy. Okay, I don't really like this. Or do I? I don't think so, no. I just need to run. I don't want to give my 1000 shutdown away. Good. Let's just keep on farming. This game should be done soon, very soon. Okay, let's get this one as well. Nice. Let's reset, get the Deadman's Plate, and I don't know what next. Deadman's Plate, we can go Tormel and just be unkillable. This build is pretty strong, considering I have 3 items and my enemies have 1, barely 1. Okay, let's grab these two together. Nice. Oh, what is going on here? Stop! Look at it, they can't even kill me. Okay, let's go for this bad boy then. Boom. It's another one. It's another one. Oh, buddy, you're not running away. Nice. Easy cleanup, and we are full HP. Easy as that. Let's actually get this tower. Right, got the attack speed needed for that. Right, we got it, nice. Arrow missed. Oh, let's go here, buddy. Let's go here. Ooh, close one. Oh, hello. Okay, 1v4, let's see. Okay. I like it. I don't like it anymore. Nah. Hey, she's just pounding me. Oh, nice, that's a flash. Alright. What do we want to get? They have Jin, Ashe. Like, they are full AD. I don't care about the Akali anymore. They have one crit, but it's not a really crit, so that's not very good. I could just get Hydra, I guess, but I don't see the value in it. Now let's just get the Randuin. It might be the best option here. Let's go for Randuin, and I'm coming for the Drake. Okay, so now we have to focus Ashe. She has the Kraken Slayer. She is the one who will be actually dealing some damage to me. We can start it, boys. We don't really care. Nice try. Okay, you are crazy, dog. No, you are not outsmiting me. Okay, it's running. You can just go in, guys. Yeah. Get a call this guy first. Nice. I'm here. Oh no, he's flashing. Do I look like I care, buddy? Oh my god. Nice pull. Nice pull. Nice. I can block it. Don't worry, I can block. Okay, cool. Can you get a hook? Get a hook, buddy. Oh, this was worth it, okay. Never mind then. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, chill out. Okay, we need to run. Oh, I got my buddy here. Come on, come on, come on. Oh no, he's here with me. Okay, my W heals too much. Nice. Sick. Very good, very good. Come on, buddy. Like, you think you can kill me? Go in, please. I dare you, go in. Yeah. Thank you. Okay, we got the Randuin now. What do we? I think we still can get this. Like, the item is just too good. Yeah, flying. Alright. Let's go to their blue. Cool. Level 14. Oh, hello. I don't even care about this, boys. I don't care. I'm diving. I'm still diving. Oh my god, the kick. Come on. The kick is screwing me over. Oh, she's playing with fire. She's playing with fire. Just gonna go in. Oh yes, nice. Goodbye. Nice, good job. Easy peasy. Just like that. Oh, nice, nice stun. Boom. Okay, I need to get back a little bit. Oof. This should be an end. Nice. 18 kills and still counting. Oh, hello. Come here, buddy. 19 kills. Nice, good setup. Okay, I guess we just back. You get out. Okay, and we are full build at 24 minutes. This is just insane. Full build. Nice. I'm just an absolute beast right now. Can I blue? Blitzcrank asks, can I blue? And my Darius answers yes. Are you serious? What do you mean? What do you mean, bruh? Okay, we go look for someone. Probably this Ash. Hello, buddy. See ya. Nice. Easy kill. We could get the 4th Drake, but it really doesn't matter. Oh. You think you can outrun me, buddy? I highly doubt that. Yeah. See ya. Nice. Okay, let's just get the 4th Drake. Fuck it. Let's just get the 4th Drake. There we go. Now this is gonna start being fun. The double electrocute Volibear. Double electric. I don't know what it's called. You can call it whatever you want, boys. But we are going ham. Hello. And that's one. That is two. Ooh, nice try. Ooh, are you serious? Are you sure, buddy? Nice. 23 kills. And can we get one more? Nice job. Nice. Another kill. 24 kills in like 25 minutes. I guess that's pretty good, right? Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like, and I will see you in the next one. See ya.